Renanation. Renanation.
What's good? What's your papa with you? Thank you for clicking this video, and you already know what we doing today. Now today I will be doing a cute hairstyle, very simple, very easy, and you guys might like it. But if you do, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe down below and click that notification button because it's there for a reason. Of course, first things first, the hairstyle I will be doing will be a slick back braid, but I will be doing a middle part instead of a side part. So just stay tuned, keep watching. If you guys want to do this hairstyle, just follow my steps. But right now, I'm just going ahead and blow dry my hair and flat iron it. So just stay tuned. Period. So quick tip, when your hair is wet, it's easier to comb, and I love it when it's wet so I can just comb it out. But all I'm doing is just combing everything out, blow drying it, and flat ironing it. But yeah, just stay tuned for the next step. So another tip, I section off my hair and I blow dry it. I actually try to get it as straight and dry as possible. So what I do is take sections, comb it out, and blow dry it until it's like straight. So once I use the flat iron, it won't be so much heat. The flat iron is very hot, and the blow dry, you can control the heat. So that's my tip. You guys can use it if you want. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Click that notification button because it's there for a reason. Of course, we're just gonna finish this video out. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry and flat iron my hair and come back and tell you the next tips and steps. So stay tuned. Okay, so the next step after you flat iron and blow dry your hair is washed and everything. All you gotta do is start parting your middle part, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna speed this up. I don't think you guys need a tutorial on doing a part, but all you're doing is making a part till you stop like right here, because that's the stopping point, and all this back here should be slicked back into the ponytail. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna speed it up and come back and tell you guys the next step. So stay tuned, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. And we're gonna get right into it. After you do a scrape part, you can go over your part with some gel and then straighten it up even more. And there you go, you got you a scrape part. So after that, all you gotta do is start sectioning off your hair. So these are the sections you will need, which is from ear to the middle. So what you can do is just come from, you can say right here to the ear. That's the first section, and you would do the same section on the other opposite side. So it should be like 3 sections. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then it should be like 1, 2, 3. So the back section is what we're going to be working on right now. So first things first, you need your gels, your sprays, whatever you use to spray down your hair. Also, you will use your scalp brush to actually foam your ponytail correctly. So you see where the part at, you're going to make sure you brush that. Make sure you get your back naps and everything. Brush all that up. And then once you do that, you can take your comb or whatever you're using and actually start putting gel. Not too much gel, but not too little. So we're going to be using gel and spray to slick this back part down. So what I do is actually just put this in a temporary ponytail. So that means not to tighten the rubber band too tight. And then you just get your sprays or whatever. Brush it into a U, which is from side all the way to the back to the other side. And once you do that, So once you guys do that, you just doing each ponytail. You slicking the ponytails into this one ponytail in the back, and that is what I'm gonna do. It should be a nice little slick ponytail like so. Now, if you guys having difficulties doing the back part, you can leave the rubber bands in once you foam it and then just add the rest of them. So it really don't matter. It depends on what's more comfortable for you guys. So now I'm gonna start doing my edges and then just foaming this side back into the ponytail. I recommend you guys do your edges first and then slick it back, because once you do your edges still gonna be sticking up a little bit and you're gonna have to brush it in, and you guys do not want to mess that up. Get all your edges out, not too many but not too less, okay? What I actually do is brush some of the gel into it and then start brushing out my edges so I know exactly where my edges is at. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and do my edges and then come back and tell you guys the next step. Okay, so then I want to take my spray. We're not brushing this back, we just trying to make sure it's all nice and neat. Once I spray a little bit over here so no edges is flying away or anything, if you guys can see, and then brush it in. Then what you want to do is actually brush this towards downward and then just start pulling it back towards the ponytail. Hold it, then brush it into the ponytail. And if you want to, you have clips. If you guys have clips, you guys can use that. Clips to hold it down temporarily until you slick it into the ponytail all the way. And as I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry it so it won't come up. And what you want to do is put it on cold heat instead of hot heat. With the blow dryer, it's just melting the edge control or whatever you're using right back, and it won't dry as fast. It may seem like it's dry, but it's really not. And once you get outside, it's really gonna be melting then. So use the cold heat when using a blow dryer. So you should have something like this so far. And then all you gotta do is do the other side. So all you're doing is combing that out a little bit, brushing it back. You're gonna get your edge control, put it on there, brush that in, then actually just brush out your edges. And then once you do that, you can do your edges. And once you do that, all you can do is just slick it back into the ponytail. And that is what I'm gonna do. And just brush it one more time. Use your spray, brush that in, and then just start foaming it into the back. Now this side we didn't put it in the ponytail yet because I want to put it all in one instead of just doing that. I got the clips here holding it, so that's a good tip to use. Well, you want to do sections, but you don't want to keep using too many rubber bands. Like I said, you hold this, keep holding it and smoothing it out and brushing it and combing it. You put your clips so it can be held down. Once you do that, you can just start foaming it into the back ponytail. Then boom, all you gotta do is take this ponytail out and then put it all together. Okay, so this is the last step we gotta do. We still got this left and we need to look good. We need to look cute and on point, period. So what you want to do is get your hair, your braiding hair you guys got. I got a 3-pack Bobby Boss hair. Okay, so once you have your hair, all you have to do is actually take these things off. If you guys want to leave it in for design, you could, I don't know. once you have your hair, you should have a little rubber band here. So what you want to do is just connect that to there and tie that on there. And once you do that, it should be looking like this. So we don't want this to show, so all you gotta do, connect it on top, take 3 sections. Okay, what you want to do is actually leave out a little piece so you can be able to wrap it around, but take 3 sections out of both your regular hair and the braiding hair, just like this, and then you start braiding. That's all you have to do, and just braid all the way down. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up because I know you guys probably gonna be seeing me struggle braiding this hair because I'm not looking. So that's what I'm gonna do. Also, during when you braiding it, if your hair starts sticking up, just take a little gel, dab it on there, just a little, just like that, dab a little, and then keep braiding, and it should be right in the braid, and it shouldn't have no problems after that. So that's a little tip for you guys. So your braid should be looking like this so far. And don't forget, you should have a little strand left out so you can be able to wrap the top part and it won't be noticeable. And if you guys didn't put a strand out, it will be noticeable like this. And you do not want that, so go ahead and go back and go ahead and take a little strand out. It don't hurt, just one braid. So I'm gonna finish braiding this all the way down and come back. Okay, so once you're done doing your braid, this is what I got. So another tip guys can use is actually using Got To Be to make this scrape. Instead of dipping it and you on the go, you don't have no time to boil no water. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I do when I'm on the go and I can't dip no hair. So I comb it out as straight as possible. I take my Got To Be, spray a little, and then try to comb that out thoroughly. And then just pull it out like this. Take the blow dryer and blow dry it. And then you should get something like this. It's not noticeable at all. And then boom. Nobody gonna notice, period. And then with this little last piece, I'm gonna show you guys what I actually do. I brush it out a little bit. Take my Got To Be. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Got To Be, spray it on there, brush it through, and then just wrap it around. Take a little Got To Be to hold it down. And then you should get something very simple. A cute little braid, and that's just on period. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Please get a girl to at least 1K, okay? I know we way off at 100, but I know you guys can do it because y'all watching me. And I'm just putting out so much content for you guys to learn. And I'm giving you guys tips and tricks. And I know you guys enjoy me like I enjoy y'all when y'all like and comment down below. So go ahead and do that and show a girl some love. Like, that's just on period. And also comment down below if you guys like the hairstyle. And if you guys want to try it, comment down below and tell me how it came out. And that's just on that. So yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video out with some pictures and videos. So peace.